Sophia, the sun is there. We're just here. Ah, wow. Looks yummy. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna eat now. So I'm cooking sisig, and I hope you can hear me. Gonna make sauce. Bon appetit! My sisig. Let's eat. First bite. Hi! So, we're gonna do talking video today kasi mostly na mga vlogs ko is not talking. So, ngayon, finally, finally, I have something to share. Disclaimer, this one is not really meant to be shared publicly kasi pag shinare mo siya agad-agad, I do believe in evil eye. I do believe. So yeah, let's be careful lang kung anong gusto nating i-share sa lahat kasi not everyone will root for us. May mga tao na gusto tayong i-down. So yeah, parang excited ako na i-share to. So as I was clearing some of the photos sa gallery ko, nakita ko to and nung chinek ko yung date, it's the exact date today. Nakita ko to, sabi ko, okay, I'm gonna share this mismo din sa araw na ginawa ko to last year. So this one, I just want to say na manifestation is really real if you put actions in it. And hindi lang naman siya as manifestation. It also serve as your motivation para you look forward to something and para magsibag ka gawin na makuha yung goals mo sa isang year. Pero, if hindi mo man makuha sa loob ng 1 year, that's fine. Kasi pwede mo pa naman gawin yun sa ibang years. As long as you're doing something for it. Ibig sabihin, makukuha mo yan. I hope nagets nyo yung point ko dun, okay? So, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Let's share this. Let's share. I-share ko na to sa inyo. So, some of this is feeling ko hindi ko pa nakuha. And hindi ko na siya i-explain kasi syempre, ibigay na natin to sa next year ko na goal, okay? So, ito yung vision board ko from last year. Yan. Dito ko to ginawa sa iPad ko. It was December 11, 2024, 4:41 p.m. And anong oras na ngayon? It's 2:06 p.m. Because I still have work later. So, bago ako umalis, ito yung isi-share ko sa inyo. So, yeah. First one na nakuha ko this year is ito. I stayed active sa... Ano ba? Ilalagay ko na lang ba dito yung picture? Pwede din. So, first one is I stayed active bago ko umalis ng Pilipinas. Naging active ako with my health. With my health, nag-exercise ako and nagpipilates din. Sa bahay lang. Not class. Because we can't afford that. Charot. But yeah, sa bahay, naging active ako sa Pilates. Second, na nakuha ko is ito. Yan. Nung pumunta kami ng Hong Kong. But, yan. Hindi ko nakita yung fireworks that time. Kasi nung pumunta kami, it was raining so hard. After namin mag-take ng pictures and pumunta nung hotel nung Disneyland, nung pasakay na kami ng train, as in, like, pasakay na kami ng train, pabalik sa Mongkok, kasi doon kami nag-stay. Lumakas yung ulan. And that time din, pinag-iisipan namin kung papasok ba kami or hindi. Kasi, gusto ko bumalik doon kasama yung kapatid ko and yung dad ko para makita namin yun lahat, kaming apat. So yeah, yung nangyari is doon lang kami sa Arc and nagpa-picture ako doon and pumunta sa hotel, tas nag-ikot-ikot and yeah, yun lang. Anyways, next is this one, yung travel more, war less. Ngayong year, ang dami ko ding trinavel for the past months. And I'm so happy kasi nagawa ko yun by myself. But yeah, I realized ang dami kong napuntahan this year. Di ko na maalala yung iba, pero yeah, as I was scrolling sa phone ko, dun ko nakita na, okay, ang dami na pala. Yung goal ko is to travel alone. And basta, yun na yun. And next, ito talaga yung pinaka blessing na nakuha ko this year. And ito din yung dream ng parents ko. And I know they're happy na finally may napalabas silang anak. Napalabas. Kaya pala hindi nila ako pinapayagan na pumunta ng Manila or Cebu para dun mag-work and such kasi mas gusto nila na lumabas ako. But pinayagan naman ako na pumunta ako ng Cebu. Nag-work ako doon for a while for experience na din. So yeah, I got this. I got approved nung August 29 for my visa. As in, kung ano yung nandito na nakasulat, yun. Yun talaga yung nag-grant na visa sa akin. And I'm so happy. Okay. This one. For sure, ito na yung last. Kasi may iba akong part na, may iba akong vision na hindi ko pa nakakuha. So, ayoko nang i-share. Para sa next year ko na lang yun na vision board. So, this one. Growth. For me, that's symbol of growth. And yeah, I believe nakuha ko naman yun. Kasi, sa lahat ng nangyari this year, nag-grow naman ako, for sure. Though some parts, parang binalikan ko siya and still, dun ko na-realize na it's not helping me to grow. So, I need to let this go. Doon ako nahihirapan. Hindi ko pa siya nalalet go, but I'm trying. So, yeah. And yan. And this one, lastly, eto na pala yung pinaka-last. God's plan is always better. So, yeah. I pour everything to Him and I trust Him and I surrendered myself to Him kasi I know everything that I do right now. Okay, ba't naman nakakaiyak? Kasi I know everything that I do right now is in His will. Alam ko yun. I can feel it. Kayo na nanonood, start planning, pero wag niyo i-pressure yung self niyo. Like this one, gawa kayo ng vision board niyo for the whole year para ma-motivate niyo yung sarili niyo to do something, to do more for yourself. Kasi ikaw lang din naman magbe-benefit niyan, hindi ibang tao, kundi ikaw lang. So, start doing that para naman in the process naman you learn from it and such. I'm not sure kung tama pa yung mga sinasabi ko, pero I hope you guys understand my point. And yun, I guess yun na yun. Mahaba na tong video na to. So, yeah. I'm not sure if may iba pa akong clips na i-dadagdag dito. So, I hope you enjoy watching my vlogs. Bye!